Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp status. So let's get right into it. Open up WhatsApp and go to the setting by clicking this three dotted option. Hit on settings and go to chats. Just simply you have to scroll down and go with chat backup. Here you will see end-to-end encrypted backup. My end-to-end encryption is already turned off. But if you're on, then you can hit on that option and here you can turn it on and off by clicking this option. And that's it guys, how to remove end-to-end encryption in WhatsApp status. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.